Do not buy any more pills at the pharmacies. With Chayote, you can eliminate knee pain, swollen feet, high blood pressure, cholesterol, poor circulation, and anemia. This smoothie is so effective that it will take effect in just minutes. For this recipe, we will need half a chayote, cut into pieces. This helps repair any type of damage to our organs in a 100% natural way. We take it to a blender and add a liter of water, blending well for approximately 2 minutes. After this, we strain it and then add the juice of a lemon, as it has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, and also combats diabetes, as it has many benefits such as reducing blood pressure, cholesterol, and also stimulating metabolism. Now our miraculous smoothie is ready. Usage: drink it 3 times a week on an empty stomach. You can use it within a week, and you can combat knee pain, swollen feet, high blood pressure, constipation, anemia, cholesterol, and poor circulation. Friends, I hope you liked this recipe. See you next time.